Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about count function. So count function basically returns the number of values present under a particular column. So here, if I consider this customer table, this customer name column, then if I try to find out how many customers are there in this table, so I can find that using count function. So let's see how we can do that. So we have to write select, then count, then I have to count what? I have to count customer, so customer name and from orders. So I will execute this query and you can see that it returned 11. That means there are 11 customers stored in my table. Now this is the from this basic example, I guess you guys understood the concept of count and what it actually does. Now basically we will try to solve two basic problem here using this query. So first is find the number of customer where age is lesser than the average age. So let's uh, see our whole record first. Okay. So now listen the question carefully. Our first problem is to find the number of customers whose age is lesser than the average age. Okay. So how can we do that? We can do that very easy. So select customer age. Sorry. So select age from orders where now we have to use that where clause to filter data where age less than the average age. Now how to find the average age? That is select avg of age from orders. Okay, this should not be age, this should be customer name. So what do you think? What it will return? What this statement will return? When you execute this will return the customer name, but this is not our task. Our task is to count the number of such customers whose age is lesser than the average age. So for that purpose, we will simply add this count function here. My typo. It will return the number of this kind of customers. Now you execute this one, you can see there are five customers who is under this condition mentioned in our question. So when we will execute this query, it will return 5. So this is the correct output that we were expecting. Okay. So now next move to the second question, that is find how many types of items has been ordered. Okay. So how we can do that? So basically we have to count the number of items that has been ordered. So we can write select count, then item name from customers. Okay, it throws error. Oh, sorry. The table name is not customer, it's order. It returned 11. But what do you think, guys? Is it correct or wrong? It is wrong. This is not my task. If you see the whole record, you can understand what the problem is. You can see here John has ordered pizza and Clark has ordered pizza too. Here you can see Ronaldo and David both have ordered beer. Here Messi also ordered beer. So there are some repeated values present in this table, but we don't want this repeated values. We just only want the distinct elements. So that is our task to count the number of distinct elements, distinct item name here. So how can we do that? So here instead of count item name, I will write distinct item name. We have already discussed about this distinct, select and select distinct, the difference between them. Distinct is basically used for accessing the unique elements. Okay, so we will use that here, and when we will execute this query, you can see it return the output as 6. So there are basically 6 items present in our table, and one customer can order multiple items there, or one item can be ordered by multiple customers like that. So here it was the basic example of count, how you can do some operations using this count keyword, and how you can filter your data or extract some required information of it. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.